Hey, welcome to day two. So, for day two, I am going to be talking about. Let me just minimize myself. So, we're going to be recapping how to unify data, and we're going to be discussing intent and what typical intent styles are there per marketing channel. So, we're going to dive into it right now. Okay, so we are combining day one and day two because I feel like a lot of it overlaps with each other. So I planned out a little bit more ahead of time and not just everything in the moment. So I wanted to basically just show a better version of this image, the source of the traffic, and show that the goal is unify all channels. So you see the different metrics that are attached here. Obviously, this is different depending on the industry that you're in. But you can see, different metrics coming in through the different channels. That's just our company logo because this is a service we provide for businesses. But everything went away. One sec. There you go. But this is just to show a little easier in terms of how this type of thing works. So when we are going to this, just a quick little I guess this is a PDF I can send you. It's just what we've created in terms of data and how, here are the problems that are solved based on unifying data and in terms of acquiring new customers and retention for previous customers in order to ensure that you're not spending all your money on marketing budget and you can create some of the margin because retention is super important. This is just that. If you want this PDF, you can DM me and I'll happily send it over. So, day two. So, intent and what typical intent styles are per marketing channel. So, I pulled these from previous presentations I've done with clients. So, at the top of funnel, actually, I should go here first. This is easier to explain. So, PPC, pay per click, these are all ad based channels. So we have Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads. You can include different ads as well in this scenario. But so Google ads is intent-based search. So the way you set it up, you need to have an understanding of what people are searching for. For example, dentist near me. So they are looking for a dentist in the local area of wherever they are. So let's say they're in Toronto. So Toronto dentist near me. Or if you just say dentist near me, Google will find the location that they're in, ask for permission. Do you want the location searches on? Once they click on that, then if you have the right keywords based on that campaign, then you're going to come up. And of course, you need to have your optimization scores for your ads to make sure that they're optimized ads, which is important. That's a little more in depth, but intent-based is a level of intent. You are solution aware. You know what you're looking for. Then you have something like Facebook ads, which is a colder audience. It's more audience focused, so you're targeting people, not keywords. So Google is dentist near me. This is what someone is typing in, and you from the ad side, you have to match that type of search. On Facebook, it's different. There's a few different awareness levels. So you can have problem aware, solution aware, depending on where they are in the journey. Breakthrough Advertising by Charles Schwartz explains the level of awarenesses. It's a very good marketing book. It's been used for years, and it's been a lot of programs use that type of theory of solution aware, problem aware, not aware, because then you have to introduce a little more learning and a little education for them to understand what it is. But that's what Facebook ads is really good at because it's colder audiences. So you have to change your ads versus what Google ads would be when it's just like, hey, this is what you need. You need dentist near you. Here's a landing page. Here's how you contact us. Boom. That's kind of how Google ads works. Facebook ads is a little more the teaching side because it is a colder audience. They are not as solution, nor are they as problem aware as someone that is accessing Google ads. And then if you walk over to the TikTok ad side, it's very audience focused because it knows what their algorithm is basically showing them all the time. TikTok is very good at that. Facebook is not as effective because for Facebook ads, there's a lot more geographic targeting and in specific areas and interests and things of that nature. But for TikTok ads, it's if you're in a specific algorithm, they'll start feeding you specific content that is relevant to what you're already searching for and scrolling through, because they look at their click-through rates when it comes like thumbs stop and all that kind of stuff from the TikTok side, so it's a little crazy. But they work hand in hand. There's definitely similar ads that you can do for Facebook ads and TikTok ads. But if you're doing Google ads, it is specifically intent-based search. So people know what they're looking for. You can also have introductory pages that are for problem-aware people. So instead of going dentist near me, it's I'm having toothaches or toothache problem or gum bleeding. Why? And then you have pages that are leading to these type of solutions to introduce these people. So you say gum bleeding, let me think for a sec. So we can have why are my gums bleeding, or solutions to gum bleeding, and you have these types of ads in these pages where you then basically take them to a call to action that is calling or booking an appointment so they can get in touch with you. So yeah, that is the intent side. And then I guess I wanted to show a little bit of the funnel process in terms of what that means. I am pretty close for time here, so I will try and go through this quickly. So at top of funnel, that is mostly people that are unaware. If they might be problem aware, but they may 90% of the time they're not solution aware. These are people that are introing into your funnel. Middle funnel is basically people that are a little bit aware, so the awareness level is higher. They know who you are, or they know of your company, for example, but they're just not there yet. So middle of funnel for this specific client was website funnel, email nurturing, direct call. So because their calling was a big call to action for this type of company. And then bottom of funnel is in-person show up, a form fill, or a call. So these are just all call to actions. And the email. So the emails are following through the entire journey in order to keep that conversation going, and keeping people in an understanding of what's going on. So if you have an appointment, or if you submitted a form of some sort, there's always some type of email, because email is super important because it doesn't cost you anything, to make sure you are staying up to date with your potential clients or patients. But yeah, so I just wanted to go through that quickly. This is the main gist of today's little rant. And yeah, I will see you for day 3. See you.